Welcome to Guia Vital. I'm Brandon, and here we talk about everything related to health and well-being. If you like content like this, subscribe now and enjoy all the helpful information. Have you ever stopped to think that the vitamins you take daily might actually be harming your health? It sounds strange, doesn't it? But it's true. In this video, we're going to explore a story that shows how something as common as a vitamin can lead to serious health problems. Let's dive into the case of a 55-year-old woman whose life took a shocking turn. Imagine this: a 55-year-old woman convinced she was taking good care of her health by taking vitamins every day. It was December 2012 when she suddenly began feeling extremely unwell. She became so weak that she had to rush to the emergency room. Doctors were alarmed, as she already had kidney disease, and her condition seemed to have worsened. Upon examination, the situation was dire. Her heart rate was abnormally slow, her body temperature had dropped to just 34 degrees Celsius, and her body was severely swollen. The doctors initially suspected her kidney disease had progressed. They ran tests to assess her kidney function, and the results were shocking. Her blood creatinine levels, which had been normal months earlier, had skyrocketed to an alarming 3,530 milligrams per deciliter, indicating her kidneys had virtually stopped functioning. Her body was unable to eliminate waste, and she had stopped urinating. The situation was critical. The doctors quickly moved her to the intensive care unit and began dialysis to filter her blood, as her kidneys could no longer perform this vital task. But the burning question remained: how had her kidneys deteriorated so rapidly? The surprising diagnosis: after numerous tests, the root cause was uncovered. It wasn't a new illness or a worsening of her existing kidney disease. The culprit was something she believed was helping her health: a vitamin supplement. This story serves as an important lesson. It's common to think that vitamins are always safe because they're available over the counter. However, this assumption can be misleading. Improper or excessive use of vitamins can pose significant health risks. In some cases, they can even be more dangerous than prescription medications, especially for people with pre-existing conditions like kidney, liver, or heart diseases. Other alarming cases. This woman's case isn't unique. More and more people are ending up in hospitals due to problems caused by vitamins. Take, for example, a young woman who was creating TikTok videos. She developed kidney stones from taking too many vitamins to boost her immune system. In another case, a 61-year-old man experienced severe pain. Initially, doctors thought it was a pancreatic issue, but later discovered the vitamins he was taking were the root cause. There's also the story of someone who, after consuming excessive amounts of vitamins, suffered constant vomiting, severe leg cramps, and lost 13 kilograms in just a month. This also caused significant kidney damage. Why we must be cautious with vitamins. These stories highlight the importance of being informed about the supplements we consume. Knowing the correct doses and understanding the risks of overconsumption is crucial. People with kidney disease need to be particularly cautious. When the kidneys aren't functioning properly, they can't eliminate excess vitamins, which can lead to severe health problems. So what can we learn from this? Be cautious with any kind of supplement, including vitamins. If you have a health condition, especially related to your kidneys, consult a doctor before taking vitamins or supplements. Now, let's discuss 5 vitamins that can be risky if used improperly. Some can be harmful in excessive doses or when taken incorrectly, while others are particularly dangerous for individuals with kidney issues. Let's start with the least dangerous and work our way to the most harmful. Number 1. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for health, particularly for the kidneys. However, consuming too much can lead to elevated phosphate and calcium levels in the blood. While this might seem harmless, it can result in serious complications, such as artery calcification and, in extreme cases, acute kidney damage. To avoid these problems, stick to small amounts and consult a doctor before supplementing with vitamin D. A safe dose for most people is around 2,000 IU per day. Pairing it with 100 milligrams of vitamin K2 and magnesium can help maintain balance and prevent complications. Number 2. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is widely used but can cause serious health issues, especially in its synthetic form, alpha tocopherol. Studies have shown this version can raise blood pressure, increase the risk of strokes or cancer, weaken bones, elevate cholesterol levels, and damage kidneys. Number 3. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is another essential nutrient, but caution is needed, especially with its synthetic form, cyanocobalamin. Unlike its natural counterpart, methylcobalamin, cyanocobalamin contains trace amounts of cyanide, which can accumulate in the body of individuals with kidney issues, worsening their condition. Number 4. Vitamin A. While vitamin A is crucial for health, excessive intake can be harmful, particularly for those with chronic kidney disease. Damaged kidneys struggle to filter out excess vitamin A, leading to toxic accumulation. Number 5. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is often praised for its health benefits, but excessive doses can be highly dangerous, especially for individuals with kidney problems. High doses can lead to the formation of oxalate crystals in the kidneys, causing severe damage. These stories and insights underline the importance of being cautious with vitamins. While they are vital for health, misuse can lead to significant harm. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplement, even those sold over the counter. If you found this video helpful, give it a like so more people can discover these vital truths. And don't forget to share this information with anyone who might benefit from it. Stay informed, stay healthy, and continue watching our videos for more life-saving insights. If this content is helping you, leave your like so that YouTube can deliver this video to help more people, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next tips.